Ever wondered how we fix your microwave when it stops heating? At Urban Service Company, our certified technicians start with a full safety check and inspection. We test the magnetron, diode, and capacitor, the key parts responsible for heating. Once the issue is diagnosed, we replace faulty components using only genuine spare parts. No guesswork, no unnecessary repairs. Just fast, reliable solutions. Whether your microwave is not heating, making noise, or just stopped working, we've seen it all, and we fix it right the first time. And the best part? You don't have to bring it anywhere. We come to you with same-day doorstep service across Bangalore. Call 9019349170 or visit Urban Service Company live to book your microwave repair today. Urban Service Company, trusted by families across Bangalore for expert, affordable appliance repair.